Adopting a Korean-inspired skincare regime really helps to change your mindset about taking care of your skin as a core into being it a pampering session. So let's look forward to make it suitable for Indian skin. Cleansing. For oily skin, massage your face gently with cleansing milk so that the oil makeup melts easily. If you have a dry skin or to open up those pores, use a cotton pad and wipe it off gently with micellar water. Foam cleansing. If it's a night routine, make use of a foam cleanser or a face wash to remove the dirt. But when it comes to the first thing in the morning, cleanse your skin with only water. Water removes all the impurities that settle on your face during the night. Exfoliation. The difference between a scrubber and an exfoliator is that some scrubbers are harsh and can damage your skin. Choose an exfoliating scrub that has tiny granules so that it helps get rid of the dead skin. For natural scrubs that are easy to prepare at home, check out our previous video. Toner or refresher. A toner balances the pH of the skin. You can make use of rose water as it has mild astringent properties that help tighten the pores and gently tones the skin. Essence or serum. Unfortunately, there is not many serums out in the market except for the Korean ones. The essence is a lighter version of the serum. Since essences and serum will target similar skin concerns like acne, aging or dryness, some people will see more of a benefit using serums. Sheet mask. When it comes to healthy looking skin, hydration is the key. And to provide that hydration, nothing works better than sheet masks. These sheet masks are great to make a part of your routine more than once a week to help restore the healthy tone and luster of your younger age. Eye cream. Smooth the light eye cream or eye gel from across the inner to outer corner of the eye. Here, the skin is at its thinnest as there are no sebaceous glands to provide natural oils. So it's important to keep this area hydrated and protected. Moisturizers or night creams. The morning regime gets summed up by a moisturizer and the nighttime routine gets summed up by a night cream or a sleep pack. Applying a sunscreen shouldn't be reserved only for the summer holidays. Protecting the skin on your daily basis from the UV rays will avoid the development of dark spots, wrinkles, and fine lines. Lip care. This remaining part of your face should be given attention with a lip balm or a lip cream. If you're heading out, paint your favorite color and brighten up with a lip gloss. Try this routine and comment your experience below. Thanks for watching.